Here we go, the Bounty Hunter Afternoon Charter, Group C.
Bob, I got your sauerkraut salad. See?
Whoever wins that charter better take me.
This is in a cooler.
You can't read my handwriting?
No.
The winner is John Shabin. No, it's not John Shabin.
Miss you, Daddy-O.
It's Miss You, Daddy-O, Becky. It is Becky couldn't be here today.
Accepting for Becky.
Accepting. Write it down, Becky. Don't worry, we'll get on that charter, John. Becky, if you want to win, you're taking me, Johnny, and Kenny. All right. The next one is going to be a 6-pack charter on Eastman's with either the Annie B or the Melanie Jean.
Oh, 6-pack.
It's a nice prize. It's a nice prize. And the winner is another one.
R.R. Spikes.
R.R. Spike.
James.
Oh, yeah, we'll get on that one. Thank you, James R.R. Spike. James R.R. Spike, you have won. You have won the Striped Bass Charter on Eastman's. Where's John Fish on tackle? Enjoy your trip to Montauk.
Next.
The next one is this is a Florida extravaganza. You get 3, not 1, not 2, 3 trips, 2-day trips in Florida on the Yankee Caps. Be careful where you put your cooler. 3, this is a big one.
Mike Scruff.
Mike Scruff! Wow!
Scruffy's cleaning.
That's pretty good too.
You know what? He deserves it. He put up with a lot of crap in Alaska. He deserves it. The wrestling guru. Mike Scruff. That's a big prize. 3 2-day trips in Florida.
No, that's good.
Johnny, enjoy your time in Montauk.
You screwed up, Mark.
No, I never screw up. All right. What's next?
What's that for?
That's it.
Oh, we got more.